How to transfer money from the Bank of America to another bank. Now, this is pretty simple and quick. So, upon logging in using the Bank of America application, you should be able to see it automatically, which is going to be the transfer button. Just simply tap on that, and you should be redirected to the page in which you'll have to enter the account number of that specific bank that you will be transferring the money to. So just enter the account number and then enter the specific amount, and you should be able to transfer it successfully without any problems. Now take note that if you be transferring money to another bank, you should also be able to see a specific fee on how much you'll have to pay for you to be able to transfer the money successfully. Now you can go ahead and transfer any kinds of features or options that you would like. So it's gonna be from Bank of America to the same bank or from Bank of America to another bank. So you'll have to double check on the transfer fee first, double check the account number from the other bank for you to be able to have no problems in the future. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can transfer money from Bank of America to another bank.